everybody, welcome back. It's me, TV, and welcome back to another brand new video. Today, guys, we'll be heading to Albany and we'll be camping there for 3 nights. We'll be doing some fishing, you know, all that stuff. And yeah, this is gonna be especially in Betty's Beach. So yeah, let's not waste our time and let's go.
두놈 나가네. 소리만 고르잖아. 근데 여긴 어디? 저쪽이면 이제 칼발이 나고.
Just arrived here, boys. Absolutely amazing.
꺾어야 될 텐데.
Hey buddy, just set up everything. Looks absolutely perfect. Look at that view, guys. That looks absolutely fantastic. Plus we did the showers. Just saying.
수저 어디 있어?
오.
오뎅탕 망한 밥. 와 망했어. 저 불 이제 너 아직 못 한다.
Done. Getting the dinner prepared, but I have some meat here.
준비가 끝나. 거의 어저께 먹은 건데 남은 건데. 쑥갓인데 쑥갓 하고 있는 거야. 쑥갓을 여기는 넣네. 그렇지 이미.
Hey buddy, better head to sleep. Tomorrow I'll be doing some fishing and all that stuff. So yeah, see you guys. Good night. 소라네. 가능해야지.
맞다. 엄청 빨리 도망갔다.
야 진짜 빠르다. 근데 조그만 거.
이건 못 먹어.
Got some rose abalone. Looks really good. That giant here. So you know.
어디지 아빠 방금 말한 거?
여기.
여기 있다.
여기 있어. 파도. We caught rose abalone. It's like, look at this size.
설거지 해버린 거야? 다 했어.
This size is like this size of my palm. I'm not joking. This is the size
아직
of my
손
palm.
같은 게 없는데.
Waves are strong, but you know we'll still manage to fish.
한 번 들린 거지 그냥. 이것도 그렇어? 원래 이거 7가락 넣었어야 되는데.
So guys, we are here. We have just arrived, and a few blocks away. Okay, everybody, we're about to start fishing. Got the God Pack Hero 5 with me. That's where we're gonna get a montage from, and yeah. Guys, first catch. I don't know what this is, but it's not a leather jacket. That's what I'm saying. It's not a leather jacket. So yeah. 잡았어. 이거야? Okay, guys, cool one. Yes. So. about to eat some dinner, so I'll show you what we eat. This is our menu for tonight. 어디? 아닌데? 아 있네.
무슨 무기냐?
이거 무슨 그거 Everybody, it's currently the next morning. It's very windy. Didn't expect it to be that windy, but you know it's really windy. We did catch a fish in the net, which was pretty sick to be honest. And yeah. Anyways, guys, gonna eat some ramen. So everybody, we're now gonna head to East Bay or East Beach or whatever it's called, and we're just gonna have a look around, and we may do some fishing. So yeah, let's go.
하리야 많아.
Say goodbye to East Bay. Say hello to Betty's Beach again. It's freaking cold and it's meant to be 28 degrees, but for some reason it's really cold. Holy!
이거는
Everybody, it's the next morning. About to head home. It was really fun. Well, not really because of the wind, but yeah, about to head home. So yeah, done setting up or setting down. About to head home. Or we will be looking at this car, dirty as hell.